Are you 18 to 25 years old, based in Wales and into any genre of music? Do you want to make a difference and help build pathways for young people to get into music? Anthem is looking for people to join their Anthem Youth Forum. You might be an active musician, an aspiring musician, somebody who's studying music, somebody who's helping behind the scenes with the music making, a writer, a vlogger, a blogger, or someone who just wants to make a difference. You'll need to be based in Wales, be familiar with social media platforms and Zoom, commit to attending meetings across February and March, and have access to the internet. Being a part of Anthem's Youth Forum will help you build connections across the music sector in Wales. It will give you experience on how to create and design, give you experience on how to create personal vlogs, and offer opportunities, including leading an online event. Find out how to apply for Anthem's Youth Forum at anthem.wales/news.